Hi friends, I'm Miss Evie. Today we are going to practice using scissors. The first thing we need to do is decide which hand we are going to use. You want to use the hand that you use to hold your fork or your spoon when you eat to cut with scissors. For some people it's their right hand, and for some people it's their left hand. I'm going to use my right hand. Let's look at our scissors. The handles on our scissors have holes of two different sizes. There's a little hole on this side and a bigger hole on this side. This hole is small because only my thumb is going to go into it. This hole is bigger, so there's room for all the rest of my fingers to go in. It's the same whether you use your right hand or your left hand. Once your hand is in your scissors, you open and close, like the mouth on an alligator. You might have noticed something funny on one of my hands. I have a smiley face at the bottom of my thumb. That's to help me remember to hold my scissors the right way. If I put my hand in my scissors and I can see the smiley face, I'm holding them the right way. If I turn my scissors and I can't see the smiley face anymore, that's not the right way. Parents, this is a very helpful tip to put that little smiley face on your child's thumb to help remind them how to hold their scissors correctly. Now we're ready to practice cutting. If you're cutting something small like this piece of paper, you want to hold the paper in your hand, open your scissors, and begin to cut. A helpful tip is to turn the paper rather than turn the scissors to make a nice smooth cut. Much easier than holding the paper still and making the scissors bite their way around. Just turn the paper until you are done. I hope you have lots of fun practicing cutting with scissors. Kindergarten teachers have told us that many students arrive at kindergarten without enough practice at using scissors, so this is something you'll want to practice often at home. We will have other scissoring activities in our Kindergarten Readiness Home Activity Series.